Hello guys, welcome back to my channel in English Academy. Guys, please like, share, follow, comment and subscribe the channel. Guys, if you have subscribed the channel, now we come on the topic the poem of mothers among other things, which was written by the famous Indo-Anglican poet A.K. Ramanujan. A.K. written by famous Indo-Anglican poet A.K. Ramanujan. Guys, before explaining the poem, we must know about a little introduction of the poet A.K. Ramanujan. So, guys, let's start now. Guys, A.K. Ramanujan is one of the most famous trilingual writer who shows his mastery equally in English, Tamil, and Kannada. Guys, the full name of A.K. Ramanujan is Attipet Krishnaswamy Ramanujan. Was an Indian poet and scholar of Indian literature who wrote in both English and Kannada. Ramanujan was a poet, scholar, professor, and philologist, folklorist, translator, and playwright. Guys, he was born in Mysore in 1929 and he got his education at Bhanumia High School and Maharaja College. During 1958 to 59, he was a fellow at Deccan College, Pune. Thereafter, he earned a Fulbright fellowship and went to Indian University, where he studied for 2 years, from 1960 to 1960. Sorry, from 1960 to 1962. Then he worked as a lecturer in English literature for 8 years at Queen in Belgaum and Baroda. Then for 3 decades he lived in the USA, working there as a professor of linguistics and Dravidian studied in the famed University of Chicago. Though he lived in the USA, he didn't forsake his Indian heritage and sensibility. Again and again, he reverted to the theme of the past and displayed a remarkable sense of Indian history and culture. Guys, A.K. Ramanujan wrote most famous works are The Striders, which was published in 1966. Next, Relations is a collection of poems which was published in 1971. Selected Poems, which was published in 1976 and contained a selection of fine pieces of the volumes number 1 and 2. Guys, his most important translations is famous in Indo-Anglican poetry, which are as follows: 15 poems from a classical Tamil anthology, which was published in 1965. Next, The Interior Landscapes, which was published in 1967. No Lotus in the Novel, which was published in 1969. Speaking of Shiva, which was published in 1972. Samskara, which was published in 1976. Guys, Ramanujan became immortal as a translator and he is one of the finest poets in English that India can boast of having produced. Guys, after introduction of the poem, we must know about sorry guys we will discuss about the introduction of the poem of mothers among other things. Guys, you know that this poem is very famous in Indian English literature. Ramanujan's poetry is rooted in the family. He always guys, you know that Ramanujan's poetry is rooted in the family. He always remembers with nostalgia the members of his family as well as various objects connected with his early life in India. Guys, he uses images to convey to us his own impressions of his mother during the different stages of her life. In the far off USA, he lovingly remembers her and yearns for her company. Guys, this poem of Mothers among other things was published in Relations in 1971. This poem In this poem, the poet reveals with telling details the evocations of his mother. Guys, you know that for Ramanujan, the family is in fact one of the central metaphors with which he thinks. He presented portraits of relatives, family situations, and childhood memories. In this poem, he conjures up various images of his mother from his memory. He remembers that his mother was very delicate and vivacious. When she was in the prime of her life, she wore three diamonds in her earrings, and rays of bright lights needles splashed from them. She was very affectionate and rushed to the cradle if the child cried. Guys, with the passage of time, the tree-trestled light was broken into rays. With the rain of misfortunes, her beauty and cheerfulness vanished. In this poem, the poet also describes about her mother that she grew old and withered, her hands became wrinkled, she became lean and thin, and her saris hung loose round her body. She became so weak that she could pick with difficulty a grain of rice from the kitchen floor. The poet has described his mother's youth, middle age, and old age, as well as his deep anguish and nostalgic yearning for her. Guys, in this poem, the poet also describes, although A.K. Ramanujan lived in the USA for 30 years, yet he didn't give up his Indian heritage and sensibility. Again and again, he came to the return to the theme of